Man, I always hate school. I know what to do. I'll make an earthquake.
Molly, are you all right for the massive earthquake?
Yes, Dad. I'm all right.
Good. Let's watch the news.
Good evening, everyone. This is your anchor host. I have some news today when suddenly there was an earthquake in Madison Square at local high school. So let's have an interview with the teachers and students.
It all started when there was teaching with the run across and all of a sudden, I felt something like bored.
After breakfast I'd say, but I wonder if Jolly survived the... Wait a minute. It was Molly. She is the one. She hit the ground very hard. Molly, you are now expelled.
Molly, you must be grounded by your parents.
That's all the news for today. This is News Anchor signing off. Goodbye.
Molly, you are grounded for making an earthquake at school.
Does that mean no fun? Dad.
That's right, Molly, no fun. You are grounded. This means no fun, no iPhone, no video games, no TV, no McDonald's, no life, and furthermore.
Now go upstairs to your room now.